This question asks us to identify the catalyst, the process which is occurring, the structure of substance F, and the name of a substance which we will call Z. This is compound F, and if we expand its condensed formula a bit, we get this structure. We can see that it has an ester group here. So compound F is an ester. Ester names have two parts. The first ends in -ile and the second in -ate. When naming an ester, the portion of the molecule attached to the ester oxygen is used for the first part of the name. Since there are 3 carbons, we write propyl. And the other portion of the molecule is used in the second part of the name. There are 2 carbons, and so we use the prefix eth for 2, and we get ethanoate. This ester is propyl ethanoate. We are told that it can be produced by the reaction of a carboxylic acid with another substance, which we will call Z. And we're told that a catalyst is used in this process. Now, esters are produced from the reaction between a carboxylic acid and an alcohol, and the byproduct is water. This type of reaction is called an esterification reaction. Now, which part of the ester comes from the alcohol and which from the acid? The first part of the name indicates the alcohol which was involved, which must be propanol, which is a 3-carbon alcohol, so compound Z is propanol. And the second part of the name tells us the acid which was involved. A 2-carbon carboxylic acid is ethanoic acid. A catalyst often used in esterification is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. This is a dehydrating acid. It removes an oxygen and a hydrogen from the acid, and a hydrogen from the hydroxyl group of the alcohol, which produces water. Since this reaction involves the formation of water, it can also be called a condensation reaction. The acid carbon joins to the oxygen of the hydroxyl group of the alcohol to form the ester bond. Finally, the catalyst is sulfuric acid. The process is esterification. This is the structure of substance F, although it is partially condensed here and we have not shown the full structural formula. And the name of compound Z is propanol.